Hey, this is Gabby Tech. I welcome you back to this second part of the contacts project. And in this part, I'll be showing you that the MongoDB and the Node.js backend application is fully functional with the 5 endpoints documented using Swagger UI and deployed on render. Let's get at it so that I'll walk you through the whole content of this video. All right, in this project, by clicking this button on the hero section, it takes us to the Swagger API documentation, which loads from render. Now, these are the 5 endpoints that have already been added here. When we click on the first part, we use this first part to get all the contacts that have been added to the database. So this is how you do it. You try it, you click on try it out, click on execute. Now all the contacts that have been added will be shown. Now I'm going to the second part, which is posting a contact. It is still following the same method. We try it out by clicking here and then add the values for these parameters. Let the first name be Akonna, and then the last name be anything like Gabriella. Then the email be at gmail.com. Favorite color should be pink. Then birthday, let's say 999 1999 15 06. Okay. Now, when you click on execute, we will see that this is a new contact that will be created and is added to the database. This video, I will also show you that not just the Swagger documentation, but then the MongoDB Compass also is connected to this render live page and it changes in real time. So let us open the MongoDB Compass to see how this is being updated. Like the contacts that we have before now may not have included this last one that I added now. So let's refresh it and we would see I connected it already before now, so it's connected. This last one that I added, Akona Gabriela, and all these details are added. Maybe because I made a mistake in this person's details, I will have to make changes or update it, still using the same method in this Swagger UI. Now let us copy this person's ID so that we'll be able to get it. This is the ID generated automatically. Then let's move to the next one, which is get individual details by ID. Click on try it out, then place the ID here, execute. It will get this person's details for us once we click on it. Now I'll be needing to get all this, so I would like to copy all this because we'll be needing it for the next one for updating it. So to click on this, we also click on try it out, then paste this detail that I copied here. The ID will be removed. I will not be needing it here. So let this individual's ID be here. And then let's change the name, the email from capital G to small g, Gabriela 001 at gmail.com. Let us also change the favorite color from pink to blue. In that case, when we check after executing it, we will check the database again, the MongoDB Compass. We would see that this person's details have been updated. So let's refresh it. We would see that this email and then the favorite color has been updated. Now you could see this other contact that have been added before now. The ID, we will still copy the ID so that we'll use it to delete this person's details. We'll copy the ID. Then click on this delete option, click on try it out, paste the ID here, then execute. It will show us that these contacts have been deleted successfully. Okay, so you can see it here. A contact has been deleted successfully. Now, on the part of deployment verification, it is wise to note that this page is loading not from the local host, but from the render live page. So you could see the URL here is not loading from local host or from render live page. And we could also see that from the GitHub, when we check here, we'd see the page has been deployed to GitHub with this name. Now, on another hand, talking about the architectural pattern of this project, it has followed the MVC proper architectural pattern, whereby there is separation of concerns. There is the controllers folder, the routes folder, and then the data folder, as well as the public folder, with their respective files in them. Now, in the controllers folder, we would see that from the VS Code, we would see that the contact controller.js file is the file that handles the function or the logic for the 5 endpoints, either getting, deleting, updating, or creating the endpoints. Okay. Now we could also see, as I said, in the VS Code too. Now, still in the VS Code, we would also notice that the necessary credentials, the MongoDB connection strings have been saved in the .m file that is not pushed to GitHub because it is placed in the git ignore file. So it is not uploaded to GitHub. In that case, it makes this connection or this file or this project secure and private. All right. With this, I think I've successfully completed this project, this second part, thereby ensuring that the 5 endpoints are shown, read, and effective from the Swagger UI. All right. Thank you for reviewing this submission. Endeavor to hit the notification bell to get more contents like this. Ciao.